Ha? Ba't mo ako pinapabayaan? Sabi mo ayaw kabala ka. Ayaw ko raw gawin.
Uy, wala ko naging don't do it. Ayaw kabalaka and Bisaya means don't worry.
Kasi hindi ko masyado maintindihan yung mga sinasabi mo. Parang iba yung kahulugan.
Same rapod ko nimo kay usahay dili ko makasabot kung magtagalog ka kay lahi pud kag mga terms.
Oh, sinitabo diri when you're not working together.
Sir, iba kasi ang sinasabi niya. Akala ko, she's telling me not to do the task.
Pero in Bisaya, sir, it really means don't worry. Misinterpret lang good.
See? That's why the cultural communication is important. Even if you're both Filipino, dialect differences can cause miscommunication. Next time, try to clarify and use a common language. Maybe mix English with Tagalog or Bisaya so both of you can understand.
Okay, I get it now. Next time if I don't understand, I'll ask first.
And I'll try to explain using words that you'll understand. Basta teamwork lang kita.
Let's finish this together.